Bia Ceacht. Hello to you all, children. So ceacht inish faoi an téama Bia Ceacht with Team Food again for our current lesson. And right, part to go, second part. Then with a kind faoi Bia Ceacht, we will be talking about food again. Okay. So when you don't know who something belongs to, remember you suas the love, August. Gaeilge, who owns it? Who owns it? So if it's not yours, aber ní liomsa é. It is not mine. Arish, ní liomsa é. Okay, so you want to find out if it belongs to your friend. Níamh, is latsa é? Is it yours, Níamh? Agus níamh inish, sha. Is liomsa é. It's mine. Gaeilge maithe gut. Thank you. So, Gaeilge ní liomsa é. Are you speaking with me? Gaeilge is liomsa é. It is mine. Gaeilge maithe gut. Thank you. Ufek, Chiapra ul agus sú. Anfuil ishka agat. You have water? Níl ishka agam. Tá cupán té agam. I have a cup of tea. Fécar an ban. Look at the woman here. Anfuil ishka agat. Tá budéal ishka agam. So she has water. She is saying, I have water. Okay, agus budéal is bottle. Agus an doctor inish, Colleen-Ella, another girl, an bhfuil ishka agat, and she says, níl ishka agam. Ach, but tá sú aroista agam. Sú aroista. An chuileh cad is príle sú aroista. Do you remember what sú aroista is? What does it mean? Cad is brí. It is orange juice. Gumma. Ooh, a long radiansha. Lots of stuff here. Tom, Cafuil the Fosca Lowen. Ooh, I think maybe Mummy is asking. So, Tom, Cafuil the Fosca Lowen. Where is your lunchbox? Well, Tom says, Bhí ma fosca lona gom sa char Madin. I had it in the car this morning. Anish, níl ma fosca lon I ma bhla scoile. Níl sé an shelf. Just like it sounds, it's not on the shelf. Níl sé I ma bhla scoile. Níl sé an shelf. Agus níl sé faoin gcathaoir. It is not under the chair. Ah, no. Rinne méid a rude ma fosca lowen. Ah, I forgot my lunchbox. Tá sé sa char, Mom. It's in the car, Mom. Did you ever do that? Are you too, Fane? On Rothkana? Did you ever do the same thing? All right. Cafuil. Where? Tá. Níl. Right? Sin fraggery. Those are the answers. August, what was the other answer? Ní? Níl is agam. Tá. Níl. Níl is agam. Okay, the Frick Fasta. What did you have this morning, Samadana? Okay. Cod. What? Remember, cod is animdit. Cod bualat. So cod is animdit. What is your name? Cod bualat. What do you want? Cod a ditu. What did you eat? Done breakfasta. What did you eat for your breakfast? Cad a dit tú don breakfasta? Cad a dol tú don breakfasta? What did you drink for breakfast? So cad a dit, what did you eat? Cad a dol, what did you drink? Okay, sehr gewöhnlich. De me leche. I ate porridge. De me ove. I ate an egg. De me yogurt. I ate a yogurt. De me granach. I ate cereal. De me toaster. I ate toast. De me aron. I ate bread. De me aron agus im. Bread and butter, or toast agus im. Toast and butter. Or freshen, rodella, something else. De me aron agus suv. Bread and jam. Fresh and rodella. De me toasta agus suv. Toast and jam. Bread and jam. And then the butter is im. All right, let me try. Agus inish dole me. Cad the dole too. What did you drink? Dole me. Sue aroista. Orange juice. Dole me cup on tea. Cup of tea. Dole me cup on coffee. A cup of coffee. Dole me banya sha. Dole me buidale ishka. An chwilad ishka carspila ishka? Water. Bottle of water. Areas. Excellent. Mas maliev. Take the if you want, go to the start. Take the indus. Okay? And you can watch Gach Roderish, everything again. Agus Bigieg Ahro. And you can copy what I'm saying. Okay? To help you learn chun na focula Olin. Alright? Shin a full actually, shin der an cap on the Fiogarish, cap the dough, a kind of Bia a rish food. So, Bemi skull, Lehela. Alright, we will be at school together and we will be singing. Tashin and the lonanish, Tashin and the lonanish, Tashin and the lonanish, Toga mahata lo. Alright,